Hi, I'm Karen Hodgins, creator of the Family Math Night Project series, and in this video I'm going to share with you what comes in the Project Go-Go Games Station kit. So the kit was designed to give students extra practice in working with numbers in a way that's fun and engaging. And what's more fun and engaging than playing a game they've designed? And even more fun is getting to take that game home and share it with others. So the kit serves 126 K5 students and was designed so that you can have 42 students working at the station at the same time. In your kit, you're going to get your Project Go-Go Games Station Facilitator packet, and in this packet you're going to find your checkoff sheet. So this is what tells you what to put out at the event, at your station before the event starts, and then what to put back in the kit once the event is over. You're going to get your station facilitator notes, and basically these are your lesson plans. So you're going to get your background information, how to set up your station, and then it talks about the activities. And you're also going to get a link to the video version where I give you tips on how to set up your station, and then I teach you how to play the games. Okay, you're also going to get your beginning, intermediate, and advanced table TEDs. Now, loosely, this is pre-K1, 2nd and 3rd grade, and advanced is 4th and 5th grade. Then you're going to get your action space stickers, super fun. And finally, you're going to get your Go-Go Games table tents, and these are the directions that participants will be following to do the activity. Okay, you're also going to get the game boards. Now, there are 3 different game boards at each level for participants to choose from. And one of those game boards at each level is blank. So there's no theme to this one. This is where students get to let their creative juices flow and create their own theme. Super fun. At the beginning level, participants are going to be covering subitizing, counting, beginning addition, and subtraction. At the intermediate level, they're going to be covering addition, subtraction, even odd numbers, and beginning multiplication. And at the advanced level, they're going to be getting a sense for fractions. If you're interested in the specific skills for each of these levels, and you're watching this on YouTube, you can scroll down into the description and the connections are listed there. And if you're watching this on the website, then you can click on the link and you can see those connections as well. Okay, you're also going to get colored pencils, your spinners, and then your pawns in 2 different colors. And finally, you're going to get a bag, or each participant is going to get a bag, and that's what they get to take their game home with them. So you can see there's a lot of really cool stuff in this kit. And from a teaching perspective, playing games is a great way for students to get practice in number skills. If you're interested in more information, please email us at info@familymathnight.com or call us. Our phone number is on the website, familymathnight.com. Or you can jump right in and purchase your Go-Go Games now and let the games begin.